Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our... They started with nothing but a dream and a camera. From deep-sea dives to bush kitchens and country life, these creators are blowing up fast. In 2025, a new generation of Jamaican YouTubers is taking over. Authentic, creative, and unstoppable. Today, we count down the top 10 fastest growing Jamaican YouTubers of 2025. Stay to the end because the number one spot will shock you. Welcome back to CCN World TV News, the home of Jamaica's digital movers and shakers. I'm CC, and today we're spotlighting creators whose subscribers counts and views are skyrocketing. We've already seen who's the richest and who's most influential. Now, let's meet those who are rising the fastest. These are the channels capturing hearts, hustling hard, and representing Jamaica worldwide. Number 10. Pappy Spearfishing Adventure. First up, the ocean warrior himself, Pappy's Spearfishing Adventure. Pappy dives deep into Jamaica's underwater world, catching fish a natural way and cooking them right on the shore. He's turning outdoor living into digital gold, with thousands of loyal fans worldwide. His growth is steady and impressive because adventure, nature, and island lifestyle attract both Jamaicans and international viewers. Authenticity plus adrenaline equal viral content. That's why Pappy earns a solid spot among 2025 fastest growing Jamaican YouTuber. Number 9. Next up we have Ratty. Known for his yard vibes, farm life, and honest personality, Ratty is climbing fast thanks to his humor and humble nature. Whether he's cooking in the bush or cracking jokes with the crew, fans love that raw Jamaican authenticity. He's relatable, consistent, and represents the everyday man who made YouTube his stage. Number 8. Climber. When you talk about adventure and brotherhood, Climber is a real-life example. A fearless member of the Colaz Smith team, he's known for going the extra mile, literally climbing mountains, climbing trees, helping others, and adding humor to every video. Climber's courage and consistency are earning him a growing fan base that loves both his personality and his heart. Number 7. Socks. You can't miss Socks, the fried chicken boss, the entertainer of the Colaz Smith family. He's a quick-witted, funny, and naturally engaging. From charity missions to daily vlogs, Socks always brings joy. 2025 might just be his breakout year, the moment he steps fully into the spotlight and builds his own signature channel. Number 6. Canta. Canta is another Colaz Smith team favorite, full of humor, passion, and positive vibes. His comedic timing and natural storytelling keep audience coming back. He's developing fast as a solo creator, pulling major engagement and building an identity beyond the crew. Canta is the voice of the people, funny, humble, and all Jamaican. Number 5. Teabag. Teabag lives a fisherman's life, spearfishing, underwater treasure hunting, and rustic cooking. His raw island lifestyle makes viewers feel like they're right beside him on the ocean. Courage, authenticity, winning combination for 2025. Number 4. JBud the Baker. JBud the Baker is a rising community favorite. His bakery skills, kind personality, and giving spirit set him apart. JBud mixes food with encouragement and charity, and viewers love creators who uplift their community. His fast growth proves that good-hearted content still wins. Coming in at number 3, Knife Ninja. Creative, skillful, and original. His knife making, sharpening, bushcraft, and tool techniques are impressive and satisfying to watch. Knife Ninja is building a unique niche on Jamaican YouTube, one that attracts both men and women who appreciate craftsmanship. Number 2. Anty Pauline Yaad to abroad. A storyteller, humanitarian, and motivator. Her relatable lifestyle content such as cooking amazing Jamaican food, uplifting messages, and strong connection with her audience are driving big engagement. She represents the Jamaican woman, strong, wise, and full of heart. Number 1 fastest growing Jamaican YouTuber of 2025 goes to Colaz Smith TV, the man who built a movement. Colaz doesn't just create content, he creates opportunities. He mentors Ratty, Canta and Socks, Climber, Teabag, Pappy Spearfishing Adventure, and many other rising YouTubers, turning ordinary men into rising stars. His charity work, house building, feeding programs, and positive leadership make him the heartbeat of Jamaica's YouTube world. So there you have it. Jamaica's top 10 fastest growing YouTubers of 2025. From ocean adventures like Pappy and Teabag, to comedians like Canta and Socks, to craftsmen like Knife Ninja, to positive women like Anty Pauline, to the leader of the movement, Colaz Smith, we salute you all. Drop a comment below and tell me who you think will be the next big Jamaican YouTube star. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CCN World TV News. Bless up, stay safe, and keep pushing Jamaica forward.